collecting my race kit for the Skechers run. Here we are. That's it. We got it. It's gonna be my first 10K run. I haven't run 10K. Ay ito. Hindi pa ako nakakatakbo ng 10 kilometro. But bukas, first time. Let's see what is inside. I went for an XL. I don't know how. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sizing nila. Baka maliit eh. What else? Ha! Meron pang paganito. Oh, meron pang ano? La Roche-Posay protection something. And of course, my bib. I'm number 722. So it's gonna be 10K for me, not half marathon. It should be in the front, yun ang sabi nila. Stop recording! Oh, yan na. 5:44, dito na kami. GX bike. Unang 10 kilometro.
Nakatawa yung sabi mo eh. Hindi ka pa nga nakikita yung 10 kilometers.
Hindi pa talaga. Hindi pa talaga ako nakakakita ng 10 kilometers.
Pacing lang ako.
Kaya mo na. Nag-ano kayo, di ba?
Kaso
Ikaw, magkakape.
Yeah. Support lang sa inyo. Taga-cheer.
Sa finish line, ha?
Of course. Ikaw, abangan kita doon, ha?
Kaalis doon.
Huwag mo pagantayin doon.
Nandito ngayon si Coach Sharby. Coach, ano ba ang mga preparation kailangan nandito?
Kumain ka lang ng bulalok na gabihan. Okay na yun. Pampalubricate ng ano, mga tuhod.
Nga, 5. Sabi ni Sharby, 5.
Bawal
daw, face.
bawal ka kay Alex.
Sana siya, sabi ko, i-reserve mo yan sa half marathon mo.
Kita mo, nakaka-pressure. Yung kinakausap nung Sharby.
Sharby yun.
Naka-blue.
Dapat pa
Puta mo, hindi ka nakatulog ng maayos. Tinan mo, magkaiba yung clear, no?
Mali yung sapatos mo, pare.
Kaya palang bilis tumakbo nito. Magkaiba Paris eh.
Kailangan pala ganito yung bilhin natin.
Alam nyo, ito lang ang sikreto dyan.
Kaya meron pang may ano po, sikat po.
Pamunas ang pawis yan pag ganyan.
Humihinga to eh.
Yung sa akin, kay Erap yung ano eh.
Kulang sa akin ko yun, akin din.
Kasi may oxygen to eh.
Oh, ready na kayo?
Yeah.
Ha?
Pag ako nag-cross sa finish line na buhat-buhat, huwag mo kakaya.
Good luck guys, good luck.
Yeah.
Saan daw yun?
Teka na, picture ako na kayo sa finish line.
O tara, di, tago tayo doon.
Para siguradong ano, may picture kayo dyan.
You need to start meaning you will all have the same start time. Keep moving. I'm afraid you're now going to have to hustle a little to half marathon.
Magko-coffee ako dito sa Joe and the Juice.
Your way to the start line.
Pre, doon pa yung start, pre.
See you at the finish line.
Part of the Skechers Half. We'll be doing another couple of events here next season, so keep an eye on everything on the Race Me website, particularly as you go into the 4 seconds. Nikolai, Marina, together they fit.
Go, 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 go! Lumpa, go, go! Lovey, go! Kaya yan! Woo! Diretso pa doon, diretso pa! Diretso pa kayo doon! Galing! Doon pa! Wait!
Ano ba?
Yes! Wala pa, 991.
Jean is back. Jean Kurtz, Copenhagen. She just crossed the finish line.
Go! Congrats, Lavi! Dun kayo.
Hopefully he had that much energy as he was running through the track. His 2 laps at the maiden D1 track here in Dubai. Great views. He's got you there, big guy. Ahead of you at the start. 282, just ahead of 45.
Finishers!
That's David, Dylan, and Alexandra over the finish line. 311, she's finishing with smiles.
Congratulations, marathoners!
It's her
Kamusta ang first
21K
10K?
time.
Masaya? Masaya?
Pre, elbow out, elbow out, elbow out.
Masaya?
Yeah?
Diretso kami ni Bods, 4K, wala hinto.
Now, welcome back.
Tapos
51,
nag-water break
Lucas.
lang kami, takbo ulit. 6.
Mara
Nagsimula ako,
Gil,
hinto, lakad, mga 8
finishing
kilometers,
there.
7.
Sketches,
wow.
Half Marathon
Diretso.
2025.
Good progress na yun.
Gapang.
Na, ano mo yung goo?
Yung
goo, yung energy, ano mo?
Yeah, kinain ko.
Nakatulong ba?
Actually, mga 6-7K, parang nagtatay yung hamstring ko.
Hindi ka na...
Tapos nag-take ako ng goo kasi nakita ko sila nag-take ng goo. So naalala ko, meron pa lang dala.
Wala, hindi ka nag-cramps.
Hindi, nawala. Pagkain ko ng goo, nawala.
So Varanja is here. Congratulations to you.
Congrats, Minik! Next half marathon!
Great combo as this runner comes back over the
Road to
line.
21K.
Recovery meal. Salt.
Pre,
Yummy.
pang 42 yan ah.
Yan yung meal ng 10K. Pero kapag nag-21, ano ng meal natin yan?
Jollibee na yun. Chicken Joy, 3 pieces.
Oh my God.